Namaskar, Ashish Mittal from Aarsun Woods. A queen size bed. In fact, a bed for a princess. This is princess bed, and the size is queen size, 5 feet by 6.5 feet mattress area. When we talk about a bed, it's always the mattress area that becomes the size, king size, or it can be super king size, or it can be a queen size, or a smaller size than this. It's about the mattress area. The back height is 4 feet, front is 28 inches, and it's a hydraulic storage bed. We just need to pick it and it opens itself. And if you want to close it, it's very easy. Just push it back and it closes. Hydraulic is a very good thing. You need not hold it to get something out of the storage. Simply pull it up and it opens itself. The unit is made in teakwood. This is leatherette as the client selected, and we have used it. And then the paint work off-white with gold highlighting, and the unit is ready for moving. If you see here is just the bed. We don't have side tables or any other article along with this unit. And this is what we do. We provide you what you want, not what we have. There's nothing like a standard set. What you want, will provide that, the colors, the fabric, the size of the unit, the storage, without storage. You tell us and we will make it accordingly and deliver at your home in India or out of India. 55 countries we have already delivered to. More countries we have added now. Just you let us know where you want and we will deliver at factory price. Aarsun has delivered so much stuff across the globe, and that you can see in our testimonial section where you can see so many pictures. The clients have received the stuff, they have put it in the right place and then sent the pictures back to us with blessings and more orders, reference orders, and that is what makes Aarsun. If you are looking for something like this, let us know. The number is right here. We'll be happy to discuss your requirement. Thank you. Dhanyavad.